It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am.
It's about time I sit you all down to learn some parts of the computer system. Because tell me why people still call the computer system the CPU. As the tech pro that I aspire to be, I just won't let it slide. So today we are talking about the computer system without making it as complicated as it is in your head right now. In this video, you hear me say a lot of AKAs. Please endure. Okay. The computer is an electronic machine, blah blah blah. I think we all know what a computer is, and you are definitely holding one right now. So grab your jotters, it's about to get nerdy. Let's just start with the CPU, aka Central Processing Unit, aka the processor. It's the brain of the system. All logical and non-logical businesses are performed here. Popular examples are Intel, AMD, Apple Silicon Chip, and Snapdragon. Yeah, my United sponsors. The PSU, aka Power Supply Unit, aka don't try to fix yourself or you might get fried. It is kind of like the human heart. Heart pumps blood. PSU pumps electrical currents to every part of the system. Just plug into the wall and it does the work. Right after you flip the on switch, of course. PSUs come in different ratings for energy efficiency. The GPU, aka Graphical Processing Unit, it's a very popular piece among crypto miners. I meant to say it's the part that assists with graphical rendering. Before all the colorful UIs we see today, navigating a computer interface was equal to being a nerd. Now, anyone can open an Excel sheet without cursing 100 times, all thanks to the GPU. Popular examples are NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel Arc, which has been in beta development for years now. Let's talk about the RAM. The random access memory is built to hold active data that are currently used by the CPU. Think of it as a short-term memory holder. The more RAM you have, the more Chrome tabs you can leave open. The ROM, aka read-only memory, aka storage. Next time you hear those words, I want you to think of a hard drive or SSD. These guys come in different sizes: 256GB, 512GB, and several terabyte numbers. Also, the larger the size, the more Simpsons episode you can store. Now to the bonus section, the operating system. This is not a hardware, but softwares that are installed just to make other softwares run. That might sound confusing, but think of the macOS, the Windows 10 and 11 that you all use on your PCs. These parts all come together to make up a computer system. And if you're about to ask, how about a laptop? Laptops have these components as well, but in miniature sizes. Remember, they were built specifically for on-the-go work. Now I need you to like the video, and please stop calling every system a CPU. You're better off calling them PCs instead. It represents personal computer. Subscribe also. I need the YouTube algorithm to favor me.